Your knees and step one leg back to a small lunge. Now we're going to lower the back knee towards the floor, it doesn't have to get there, and come straight back up. As you lower down, try not to lean forward as you come up. Keep your torso nice and upright and do 3 of those. Now bend your front leg again, hip hinge from the groins and come forward with your torso and back up. Try not to bend your back as you're doing this. Just come straight down from the hip and straight back up. Now we're going to push off and lift the back leg, bend the back knee, tap the front knee, and straighten it out again. Bend and straighten. Bend and tap, straighten, and back to a lunge. Step forward to change sides.